Hi folks, welcome to MDC Masterclass. Today I'm going to show you how to use a spreader pole to make opening your forward fold camper just that little bit easier. Also, we're going to run through the pre-check safety for using winches and straps. Firstly, we check the hook gate, make sure that's operating properly so it'll stay on the eyelet. Then we have a good look at the stitching on the webbing, make sure there's no broken threads, it's not coming apart at all, and it's in serviceable condition. Then we have a quick look at the rest of the webbing just to make sure there's no cuts, no damage from solvents or anything like that. Now that we've checked our hook and winch strap, we're ready to head round to the back of the camper, get hooked up and start the process. When we're using a winch to open a camper trailer, you don't want the winch strap to be at too an acute angle to the roof of the camper. In other words, you don't want to be pulling the winch strap across the roof. You want to actually get the lid up a bit so we're getting a bit of leverage to enable it to pull across and open the camper up. The easy way to do that is with a spreader pole. So what we do, prop our lid open with the spreader pole. So push our lid up, hook the spreader pole underneath, place it down on the back of the camper. Now we've effectively opened up the angle so we'll get plenty of leverage. So we'll head around the front and winch it open. So now we're ready to start winching. Your first instinct is to stand behind the winch, ready to go. Now, you couldn't do it any more wrong than that. Never ever stand in line with the winch strap, because if the worst happens, the hook lets go or you have some kind of hardware break, that hook or the end of the strap is going to come back quicker than a Brett Lee bouncer. So what you want to do is get off to the side, out of the line of fire, and start winding your camper over. So there you go, we can now winch our lid down, keep it tight. And when you pack up, same thing, you can grab a spreader pole, push your lid up, rest it on the stone guard, and you can safely winch the lid back over and closed. For more great tips just like this one, head across to the Masterclass website or follow us on Facebook. It's all about letting you escape with confidence.